Do you want to know how you can remove the ban from a group or a Telegram group? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove a ban from a Telegram group. Go ahead and open Telegram and you can see there are some groups. So choose the group and you can see that you are some admin or you are a member of this group. Now if you are banned, you cannot message or you cannot keep your opinions on the group. Now the first step for you to unban yourself is go to the owner, message the owner of the group, tell him or her that you are sorry, and sometimes they might listen. Or else the second method is to create a new Telegram account. So go ahead and create a new Telegram account with a separate identity and join the same group. This way the person who had banned you might not know that person is you, so he or she might approve it and you can join the group once again. So guys, that's how you remove ban from Telegram group. The first one is to message the owner of the group, ask for the sorry and apologize to him or her and tell them to remove the ban for you. And the second one is to join the same group by a different Telegram account. And this way you can remove your ban from the Telegram group. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.